Start. I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate AB 731 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the AB 731 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. Your company plans to build a generative AI solution based on internal data. You recommend using Microsoft Foundry as a starting point to develop and manage the solution. What is a key benefit of using Microsoft Foundry for this project? A. Provides a scalable platform for developing and deploying generative AI solutions. B. Removes the need to select or configure the underlying AI model. C. Enables business users to build generative AI solutions. D. Offers a low-code platform for developing generative AI solutions. Correct answer, C. Enables business users to build generative AI solutions. Explanation. Microsoft Foundry simplifies AI development and allows business users and developers to create generative AI solutions using integrated tools and services. Question 2. Which business requirement most closely relates to grounding a generative AI model? A. Supporting multiple languages. B. Measuring the number of user interactions per day. C. Enabling users to interact by using natural language queries. D. Ensuring that verified company data sources are used for response generation. Correct answer D. Ensuring that verified company data sources are used for response generation. Explanation. Grounding connects AI responses to trusted organizational data sources, improving accuracy and ensuring answers are based on verified company information. Question 3. You need to create a custom Azure machine learning model. The data used to train the model is consistent and uniform. What should you do first? A. Prepare the training data. B. Evaluate the model. C. Train the model. D. Tune hyperparameters. E. Deploy the model. Correct answer A. Prepare the training data. Explanation. Preparing training data ensures the dataset is clean, organized, and ready for machine learning models to learn patterns effectively. Question 4. Your company uses a non-reasoning generative AI model to create textual content. You discover that the model's responses are inconsistent and do not meet expectations. You need to improve the prompts. What should you do? More than one answer choice may achieve the goal. Select the best answer. A. Provide the prompts with extensive examples of the expected output. B. Add the context, sources, and expectations to the prompts. C. Use technical terms in the prompts to enhance AI comprehension. D. Add only a single concise requirement to the prompts. Correct answer B. Add the context, sources, and expectations to the prompts. Explanation. Including context, instructions, and sources in prompts guides the AI model to generate clearer, more accurate, and consistent responses. Question 5. Your company is deploying Microsoft 365 Copilot. The deployment must provide users with access to the researcher agent to search across data in Microsoft SharePoint. You need to recommend a licensing plan for the solution. What should you recommend? A. A Microsoft 365 Copilot per user add-on license. B. Pay as you go. C. A Microsoft 365 subscription entitlement. D. A usage-based consumption license in Azure. Correct answer A. A Microsoft 365 Copilot per user add-on license. Explanation. Microsoft 365 Copilot features, including researcher capabilities, require the per-user Copilot add-on license to access AI-powered productivity features. Question 6. In which scenario is Azure Machine Learning most likely to deliver strategic value for an organization? A. Using historical sales data to forecast demand across product categories. B. Digitizing a paper-based process to reduce errors. C. Entering customer feedback into a spreadsheet to understand sentiment. D. Sending personalized emails to customers based on the customer location. Correct answer A. Using historical sales data to forecast demand across product categories. Explanation. Azure Machine Learning supports predictive analytics, making it ideal for forecasting demand by analyzing historical sales patterns and trends. Question 7. Your company uses a generative AI solution. You need to improve the quality of responses by using grounding. Which statement accurately describes how grounding improves accuracy and relevancy? A. References a diverse set of people, disciplines, and perspectives. B. Explains how and why AI models generate content. C. Anchors the responses in specific data sources. D. Specifies the strengths and weaknesses of the AI model. Correct answer, C. Anchors the responses in specific data sources. Explanation. Grounding improves accuracy by connecting responses to trusted enterprise data sources rather than relying only on general model knowledge. Question 8. You plan to meet with a group of stakeholders to discuss how generative AI can benefit your company. You need to provide the stakeholders with a relevant description of generative AI during the meeting. Which description should you use? A. Generative AI is designed to generate responses based on a user's natural language prompts. B. Generative AI is designed to translate documents into other languages. C. Generative AI is designed to predict future trends based on historical data. D. Generative AI is designed to recommend products based on user behavior. Correct answer A. Generative AI is designed to generate responses based on a user's natural language prompts. Explanation. Generative AI creates new content such as text or images by interpreting natural language prompts provided by users. Question 9. Which statement accurately describes the difference between a pre-trained generative AI model and a fine-tuned generative AI model? A. A pre-trained model requires labeled data, while a fine-tuned model does not. B. A pre-trained model is faster to train than a fine-tuned model because the pre-trained model uses fewer parameters. C. A pre-trained model is trained on broad datasets, while a fine-tuned model is adapted to perform well on a narrower, domain-specific dataset. D. A pre-trained model is optimized for a specific task, while a fine-tuned model is designed for general-purpose use. Correct answer, C. A pre-trained model is trained on broad datasets, while a fine-tuned model is adapted to perform well on a narrower, domain-specific dataset. Explanation. Pre-trained models learn general knowledge from large datasets, while fine-tuned models adapt that knowledge for specific domain tasks. Question 10. Your company receives thousands of scanned invoices each month. You need to recommend an AI solution that can automatically extract key details, such as invoice numbers, vendor names, and total amounts. What is the best solution to recommend? More than one answer choice may achieve the goal. Select the best answer. A. Azure Document Intelligence in Foundry Tools. B. Azure Vision in Foundry Tools. C. Azure AI Search. D. Azure Machine Learning. Correct answer A. Azure Document Intelligence in Foundry Tools. Explanation. Azure Document Intelligence extracts structured information such as invoice numbers, vendors, and totals from scanned or digital documents. Question 11. Your company discovers that several employees use personal ChatGPT accounts to assist with work tasks. You are concerned about proprietary data being shared externally. You need to evaluate the business value of rolling out Microsoft 365 Copilot. Which capability is a key benefit of using Copilot instead of a personal ChatGPT account? A. Analyzing and producing reports based on complex data. B. Generating ideas and solving issues. C. Drafting documents, emails, presentations, and marketing materials. D. Accessing internal data in accordance with existing Microsoft 365 policies. Correct answer D. Accessing internal data in accordance with existing Microsoft 365 policies. Explanation. Microsoft 365 Copilot securely accesses internal organizational data through Microsoft Graph while following existing enterprise security and compliance policies. Question 12. Your company deploys an AI-powered loan approval solution that enables applicants to request an explanation as to why their loan application was denied. Which Microsoft Responsible AI principle is this an example of? A. Fairness. B. Privacy and security. C. Transparency. D. Inclusiveness. Correct answer, C. Transparency. Explanation. Transparency ensures AI systems explain their decisions clearly, helping users understand why outcomes such as loan approvals or denials occur. Question 13. You are exploring how Microsoft 365 Copilot uses Microsoft Graph to deliver AI-powered experiences. Which information in Microsoft Graph can Copilot use by default? A. Emails, files, meetings, and chats in Microsoft 365. B. Data stored in a file share. C. Social media activity. D. Content from public websites. Correct answer A. Emails, files, meetings, and chats in Microsoft 365. Explanation. Microsoft Graph connects organizational Microsoft 365 data like emails, meetings, files, and chats, enabling Copilot to generate contextual responses. Question 14. You need to recommend a service that supports indexing information and knowledge mining by extracting insights from documents. What should you recommend? A. Microsoft Foundry. B. Azure Vision in Foundry Tools. C. Azure Document Intelligence in Foundry Tools. D. Azure AI Search. Correct answer, C. Azure Document Intelligence in Foundry Tools. Explanation. Azure Document Intelligence extracts insights and structured data from documents, supporting knowledge mining and automated document analysis. Question 15. What is considered a best practice when forming an AI adoption team in an enterprise environment? A. Include primarily IT and project management staff initially to streamline deployment, adding governance and compliance roles later. B. Include procurement and vendor management specialists early to evaluate AI tools, involving business teams once a platform is selected. C. Include representatives from legal, leadership, and business units to align AI initiatives with organizational priorities. D. Include only data scientists and engineers at first to validate technical feasibility, then add other stakeholders later. Correct answer, C. Include representatives from legal, leadership, and business units to align AI initiatives with organizational priorities. Explanation. Cross-functional AI teams ensure initiatives align with business strategy, compliance requirements, and organizational goals. Question 16. Your company sells hiking and camping gear online. You need a generative AI solution that can interact with customers and ask questions about their needs. What should you include in the solution? A. A chatbot. B. Predictive AI. C. Computer vision. D. A recommendation engine. Correct answer A. A chatbot. Explanation. Chatbots enable conversational interactions with customers, asking questions and helping them find suitable products. Question 17. You have a historical dataset that contains 1,000 records. You need an AI solution that can analyze the data to identify patterns and predict future outcomes. What should you include in the solution? A. Microsoft Foundry. B. Azure Document Intelligence and Foundry Tools. C. Azure Machine Learning. D. Azure Content Understanding and Foundry Tools. Correct answer, C. Azure Machine Learning. Explanation. Azure Machine Learning provides tools to train predictive models that analyze patterns in historical datasets. Question 18. Your company plans to implement a proof of concept (POC) agent that uses Azure OpenAI. The solution must start small and provide flexibility to scale usage as demand grows. Which pricing model should you use? A. Microsoft 365 Copilot. B. Batch API. C. Provision PTUs. D. Standard on Demand. Correct answer D. Standard on Demand. Explanation. Standard on Demand pricing lets organizations pay only for AI usage, making it ideal for proof of concept projects. Question 19. Your company plans to adopt AI across multiple business units. You need to ensure that all AI projects align with the company's business strategy and are implemented responsibly. What is the best approach to achieve the goal? More than one answer choice may achieve the goal. Select the best answer. A. Allow each department to deploy its own AI tools and workflows. B. Delegate AI decision-making to the company's ID department. C. Outsource AI development to an external vendor. D. Establish an AI council to provide guidance, oversight, and coordination. Correct answer D. Establish an AI council to provide guidance, oversight, and coordination. Explanation. An AI council provides governance, strategy alignment, and oversight for responsible AI adoption across the organization. Question 20. Your company has a Microsoft 365 subscription and uses Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Some users need to build and use declarative agents that can access work data. Which type of license should you recommend for the users? A. A Microsoft 365 Copilot add-on license. B. Microsoft Copilot Studio user license. C. A Copilot Chat pay-as-you-go plan. Correct answer A. A Microsoft 365 Copilot add-on license. Explanation. The Microsoft 365 Copilot add-on license enables advanced Copilot features including declarative agents accessing enterprise work data. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.